Okay, hi, my name is Muhammad Mirizmi bin Muhammad Ardi. My mention number is CE210006. Okay, I will explain about introduction. Okay, intelligent control system have emerged as a result of the need for smarter, more effective, and adaptable control mechanism in the ever-changing technological landscape of today. In contrast to conventional control strategies, intelligent control systems use cutting-edge computing approach like machine learning, neural network, and fuzzy logic to make decisions in real time in challenging and unpredictable situations. From robotic and industrial automation to autonomous vehicles and smart grids, this system can improve performance, robustness, and adaptability by simulating human reasoning and learning abilities. This study examines the fundamentals, elements, and practical application of intelligent control system, emphasizing their increasing significance in contemporary engineering and technology.
A very good day to everyone. My name is Tarmigan Raj, and today I'm going to talk about the codes, like how we have done that. So as you can see, the first step is that mount to Google Drive, which means that it connects your Google Drive to Collab, so you can load the files from it. And then the second step is that the import libraries. It's for the loads necessary it loads necessary libraries for data processing, visualization, and neural network connections. And it also includes min-max scaler for normalization and SGD as the optimizer. The third one would be the load the Excel data. What it does is that loads the training data set from the specific Excel file in the Google Drives where they are already the data for training, which is the data set, it's already been uploaded in the Google Drive. This is the path for it. And then the fourth one is separate inputs and outputs. So what it does that all columns except the last features, and then which will be in the X, and then the Y will be the last column, will be the target output. The number 5 will be the normalized data. So what it does is that scales all data to 0 to 1 range using min-max normalization, which improves neural network convergence. Normalization is applied separately to X and Y. Step 6 would be the train or test split, which is the splits data into 80% training and 20% validation, and shows reproducibility using a random state equal to 42. And then next one would be step 7 and step 8, which is build train model 1 and build train model 2, which is like for the model 1 would be the smaller model with 2 hidden layers, trained for 50 epochs and with batch size of 16. Model 2 would be like the deeper, wider model with more neurons and may learn complex pattern later. And then step 9 is technique, the prediction, which is like predicts the output for both trained models and a validation test. And then the step 1 will be the plotting function. It's like two helper functions. One is plot loss, and another one is plot actual loss, which is predicted. Step 11 and 12 will be the plot the results. It visualized loss curves and predicted with the actual outputs for each model to help the performance. So if this is all about the codes, and if we run the code here, like if we click here, which I've already done, this is the comparison data, the normalized data, and after the graph valuations, and we'll get the graph that we wanted. That's all from us. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For today, I will explain about the result analysis for our group. This is the graph of training versus validation loss for model 1. And this is the model 1 for the actual versus predicted. And next is the model 2, training versus validation loss. And this is model 2 for the actual and predicted. From those graphs, we can see in this table, we see that the layer for model 1 is 32 by 16 by 1, and for model 2 is 164 by 32 by 1. The optimizer is SGD, loss function MSE, validation for model 1 is higher, but the prediction rate for model 2 is higher than model 1. So the generalized ability for model 2 is better than model 1. Next is the analysis and conclusion. Both model are trained on a normalized sensor data, which we use epoch 50. Next is the model to capture complex pattern better due to deeper network because, like I said, network 2 use 164 by 32 by 1, while model 1 use 64 by 32 by 1. Next is deeper of model direct impact regression accuracy. And lastly, the neural network design is crucial when dealing with nonlinear sensibility. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, for the last one, I will explain about conclusion. With improved flexibility, decision making, and self-learning capabilities, intelligent control system mark as substantial breakthrough in control theory and practice. This system can adjust to shifting circumstances and uncertainties that are difficult for conventional controllers to handle by utilizing artificial intelligence approach. Intelligent control system will play an ever more important role as business continue to move towards automation and smart technology. Future challenging could be solved with even more creative and effective solutions if this field research and development continues. Okay, that's all from me and my group. Thank you.